Come back. Previous video we have studied about the location of points. Now we will study about the line feature in the in Google Earth Pro. So today we will draw the line feature. Purpose of line feature is actually for the line element like roads, like water channels, pipeline. This you can show it can show you the distance between the 2 points, and it can show you the profile between the 2 points. So it will be roughly you can understand the you can estimate the project's cost, and roughly you can estimate the feasibility of the project. So let me draw the line. Let's suppose I just click here in the toolbar. Just click here. You just click add path. Just click add path. Between this point, roughly you can make line here. From here you can change the color. Let's suppose I change this color into green. Okay, and I increase the width for visibility purpose. Increase the width from 500% capacity view. You can change the name, and this is called option number 1. If you are making different options, so I can call it option number 1. So now you see this width already increased, and the connection between these points. This is for the road purpose. For water supply and for channel, you can also do like that. So let me check this length of the option. So it's not option, so I need to option 1 or road 1. It's up to you. You can measurement here. Click here. So this mile you can change into feet, inches, kilometers. I change into meters. So this distance is from this point to this point is 526 meters. So you can say okay. If you want to change the nodes of the route of this road, you can click just in the property, and just if you your cursor here your crosshair here, it will not change your elevation, so alignment, sorry. So you can change your alignment from here, like here, this pointer, this one. So you can change this one. So now you already you have done the measurement. You can change the color and this thing. So it's very simple to draw the line. So you now roughly understand the length already about this one. Second, in this video I will cover that how to show the elevation in this tutorial. So we will cover how to show the, just simple right click here and show the elevation profile. So here, very simple. From here the top point 8 to 3, the top elevation. So this is this elevation, this profile show you the slope of this area. So it's Google Earth, so maybe it's not actual, but roughly it will provide you the idea that this area seems feasible for the project, or seems to can execute the project in this area. So here you can see this is little bit slope mile. Here everything is mentioned in this profile. So let me show you. So here slope, every slope, and this is maximum slope and minimum slopes. Here the difference of elevation difference, losses, everything is here. This is the sidebar where show the elevation from this point. So you can check and you can easily assess your alignment on this area. Then later you have to survey and using Civil 3D Arcade to make the profile and to do the detailed survey and detailed drawing. So it's roughly it will provide you the idea. So for today it's enough, and thank you very much for watching the video.